Awaken to the allure of a youthful glow with the transformative power of Avene Retrinal. A revolution in anti-aging skincare, it's no ordinary elixir. Harnessing a clinically proven formula, it's meticulously crafted to minimize signs of aging without causing irritation. Trust in visible results that speak for themselves. It's the innovative ingredients that set Avene Retrinal apart. With 3 patented powerhouses outperforming traditional retinol, anti-aging benefits are delivered like never before. Smooth away fine lines and firm up your skin for a radiant and plumped-up complexion. Dive into deep hydration that preserves the elasticity and vibrancy of your skin. Arm your skin with the potent antioxidants, shielding it from environmental aggressors and ensuring long-term vitality. Hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free and paraben-free, Avene Retrinal is gentle on all skin types, minimizing irritation. Immerse your skin in Avene thermal spring water, a soothing and healing elixir renowned for its nourishing properties. Elevate your skincare routine with Avene Retrinal. Embrace ageless beauty. Today's radiant glow is tomorrow's lasting youthfulness. Experience it now, cherish it always. Visit the link for detailed review.